Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger.
I'm Mrs. Stranger.
And I'm Disney.
And today we are at the Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World.
What? No.
What?
We're not at Walt Disney World.
We're not?
Oh,
We
my
are at
goodness.
Disneyland Paris.
Whoa!
All right, we're at Disneyland Paris. But wait, I think we're missing somebody.
We are
Yes.
missing T Stranger.
Yes, poor T Stranger. It was a passport malfunction,
Yeah.
so she had to stay back with Grandfather John Stranger and Aunt Danny Stranger. So she's still having a good time, and we promise we'll bring her back soon.
Yeah.
We miss you, T.
Yes.
But today we are going to enter Disneyland Paris, the Disneyland Park, which is right behind us, right behind one of the hotels right there, beyond the statue of Mickey's wand. That's Mickey's wand statue right there, and that's what Disneyland, I think that is the Disneyland Hotel. We will head in underneath Disneyland Hotel, and the park is just beyond the building right there.
Yep.
So guys, are you ready to go?
Yes,
What do you want to
I'm
see the
so
most?
excited.
What do you want to see the most?
The castle. I can't wait to see that castle.
I want to check out all the new rides, like different version of rides, like Phantom Manor, and then like the expanded version of Runaway Railway, and then
Hyperspace Mountain. That's what I'm looking forward to. I want to see that.
While they're doing that, I'll be shopping.
Have fun with that.
Yeah, check out our shopping with Mrs. Stranger vlogs coming very soon at the parks. So guys, come with us while we explore Disneyland Paris.
All right, here we go.
Disneyland Paris Hotel is so unique due to the fact that it is directly on top of the entrance plaza to Disneyland Paris. Unfortunately, for those who'd like to stay there right now, it's in the process of renovation. Like the Contemporary Hotel in Florida, the Disneyland Hotel also has a California grill, but unlike the Florida one, this one has a more Victorian design to it. Oh look, Disney, we can't go in the middle. It's closed.
Shucks.
A lot of construction going on here. Remember guys, while we're here, we don't talk about Bruno. Since the main entrance is closed underneath Disneyland Paris, we have to go around to the side. So we're not going underneath of the hotel. Okay guys, we made it through the hotel, and right behind you is what?
Train station.
Train station and the gazebo.
We love the decorations. Really
Yes.
cool for the 30th. I was just saying how they made the 30th
Look like
into
a
Mickey
Mickey.
ears. That's so cool.
Like, it's so cool to see this in real life now.
And it's very creative.
Yeah.
Can't wait to explore.
I cannot believe it's taken me 30 years to get here.
Okay, I'm looking for a map. I always get souvenir maps. So if you see a map, let me know.
Just look at your phone. There's a map right on your phone.
I bring it back.
And they can just get it on their phone.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
Awesome! And the gazebo.
Are you excited?
Woohoo! Very excited.
And the train's coming in.
It's like Disney.
Should we take the train going around?
No,
Since
we
it's
should
here?
do it.
Yeah.
We should do it. Oh.
And then we
It's right here.
And then it's like a preview of the park.
Okay.
I think that's a good idea.
Okay, let's do the train. What's really cool about this train station is that it's enclosed, unlike the other Disney Rail stations in the States. That might have something to do with the fact that the winters here are much colder. Ready to ride the Disneyland train?
Yes.
See, there's your ride you want to go on.
Yes, I really want to go on this ride. It's very long. Ooh, and then the
The
castle.
castle in the distance.
Yes. And the Disney stranger is filming on the GoPro. We are Fantasyland coming to a stop. Now we are headed to the next station.
Hello folks, and welcome aboard. For your safety, please stay seated while the train is moving, keeping your hands and arms inside the train. And no smoking, please.
Guys, we're in a tunnel. Oh my gosh. Ooh.
Crazy.
Ah!
Oh yeah. I think part of the ride.
Chers passagers, nous arrivons à Fantasyland. Cette gare est fermée, merci de bien rester assis. Nous allons bientôt repartir.
Fantasyland.
Chers passengers on route to Fantasyland, the station is closed. Please stay seated correctly. The train will start soon. Thank you.
So we sadly cannot get out at the Fantasyland stop because it's currently closed. So, goodbye Fantasyland.
There's the back of the castle.
Yes, back of the castle.
Bonjour et bienvenue aux nouveaux passagers. Pendant le trajet, veuillez rester assis et garder bras et mains à l'intérieur.
I want to do that. I kind of want to do Casey Train. And look, Belle's Castle up there. This is at the Small World. I'm so sad this is closed. I kind of wanted to do this, even though the song would get stuck in my head.
It's a small world.
We are at Discoveryland. This is where I want to go to at night.
Yeah, this is like Tomorrowland.
Yeah.
Discoveryland.
Yeah. I really want to do hyperspace. And we are back on Main Street. Cannot wait to go on all those rides that we just saw. That was a great train ride.
Very relaxing.
Yes.
Not very crowded today, and the weather is so beautiful. All right, now that we got off the train, what are your thoughts of what we should be doing here?
Well, I think we should go
to the toilets.
Yes, and I think we should go straight back to Fantasyland.
We're going straight down Main Street, USA. I mean, Paris.
Show me a quick round here. We got the Mainstreet Transportation Company, I guess where the trolley cars come out, which are basically on the right when you first walk into the park.
Dixie Brothers Men's Accessories.
Arcade over there.
I love looking at all the detail too. There's so many little like windows and things to look at.
And it's set up so differently, but yet the same as the Magic Kingdom.
I can't wait till later to go shopping down Main Street.
And obviously the main difference between this and the other parks is this park has a gazebo right in the middle of Main Street Town Square. The City Hall Guest Relations area is over there, where it is normally at Disney World and Disneyland, California. What's also different about Disneyland Paris is there are 2 arcades on either side of Main Street, and these arcades lead you behind Main Street. Hi, Pooh! Listen, Pooh cute. Now this is a thoroughfare. Now this will take you down to the other end of Main Street, behind, and there's one on the other side. We're not going to go in it at this time, but I just want to show you real quick. behind the shops on Main Street. Let's just take a quick look in the shop windows as we make our way to the other side of Town Square. Hey, I know that guy. An entrance to a shop. I know Mrs. Stranger must be close by. I think I see her there. So I went to the arcade on the other side and I saw Pooh.
Yes,
we saw
I see Pooh.
And there's an arcade which leads you behind Main Street. And there's also one on the other side which I'm going to check out real quick. So if you wait right here, I'll be right back.
Okay, we're getting pictures.
That's good. Now let's go head over to the other arcade entrance. There's 3 of our friends dressed up for the 30th anniversary. Oh wow, how adorable! A Mickey and Minnie ceramic figure for the 30th. And on the other side is the other arcade behind Main Street, which is a thoroughfare all the way to the other side. You know, I'm thinking these back passages must be great for rainy days and colder winter weather. We'll check this out later. Now let's go find Disney and Mrs. Stranger again and walk up Main Street. Wow, just wow. And look, Main Street is designed with red bricks. That's different. Oh, look here. The lampposts are decorated with the official 30th ears. I love that. You know what? Nothing feels more like Disney parks than taking a stroll down good old Main Street. Hey, Disney.
Okay, Disney Stranger. I think we got the perfect thing to bring back for T Stranger. Thumper! Remember she was Thumper for Halloween.
Yeah, when she was a year old.
Very cute. Price is €56.
How about some gas? You ready for some gas? Want to fill up?
I am ready.
It's an antique car inside this store window. Hey, Mrs. Stranger, let's go check out some of that Disney merch. There's Cruella.
Oh my goodness, I do see 40% off. Just saying. Okay. Regularly, €29.99.
40% off?
Yes. Oh, and they have what it would be. Oh, €17.99.
That's a good price.
That's not bad. It's different. I think this is a shirt I plan to get Grandfather John, but I think he had a red one similar to this.
$25.99.
Yes. Oh, and actually this one I might get. I like this one. It is $25.99 also. $25.99. That's pretty cute too. That's
shopping teaser.
Shopping preview. That's a shopping preview. Well, let's keep rolling.
Hey guys, you hungry? Let's go check out the Market House Deli. That's something the other parks don't have. On Main Street, USA, is French cheese considered imported?
The prices aren't that bad.
Vegan cookie. That's interesting. Oh, they have Mickey beignets.
So glad to celebrate 30 years of magic with all of you today here in Disneyland Park. Please join us on Central Plaza where Mickey, Minnie, and other friends invite you to dream and shine brighter. See you there in just 10 minutes.
The anniversary muffin looks really good. Oh, I can smell those treats. I think the girls are going to try out those beignets. Definitely looks good. But what I find very tempting is that they sell French beer here inside. It's called 1664. And I think that's what I'm going to pick up. What are you guys getting?
Yes, we decided to get the turkey pretzel sandwich. We're going to share. And Mickey beignets.
You know what? I really think the Magic Kingdom needs a counter service like this on Main Street. Great selection of food.
This looks yummy. Tomato, olives, and basil. Very good.
Alright, Mrs. Stranger, the parade is about to start. We got a great view. And we are going to eat our lunch.
This is a turkey something or other that looks yummy.
Turkey sandwich. It's about to start. Yay!
Let's all smile bigger, open our hearts, and believe in our dreams. So now, are you ready for the ride? It's time to dream and shine brighter.
Yeah! We also got a Mickey beignet right here.
Wow. So it has cheese and turkey inside.
Yummy? Is it delicious?
Very good. Very savory. Like a deep dish pizza with turkey and cheese.
Yeah. This is very good. I love it so much. Now let's go watch the parade. Finishing up your sandwich.
Very good.
Now we are going to eat the Mickey beignet with chocolate filling. Yum! Alright, I'm gonna take a bite. The filling is so good.
Creamy.
Yeah, but I think it's just a donut.
Yeah, I don't think it's a true New Orleans beignet.
And the ear, it's just like no filling.
But a nice sweet treat after the other sandwich.
Yeah, this is delicious.
This is a quick snack on your way into the park. We totally recommend. Thanks again, guys, for joining us on this Disneyland Paris Adventure Part 1. Oh my goodness, that turkey and cheese toasty was so amazing. The food there was very good. And as you see, I did buy the shirt. And guys, don't forget to join us on our Disneyland Paris Adventure Part 2. Thanks for stopping by, and always remember, don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.